talk about what you mean by personalized software or headless software as a service?
Yeah, so till now, let's look at websites, let's look at SaaS apps, which became massive, which were all productivity. They were essentially, we were using software to make myself productive as a human. We need to learn this coding language, we need to learn hundreds of SaaS apps, the UI is different, the login is different, it's complicated, very, very complicated. Now, I'll borrow from what the Stripe CEO said. We are entering essentially the pizza model of software delivery, where I say my intent as a salesperson is to prepare for a noon meeting. Now, on the back end, there could be 20 sales apps, productivity apps. The agent goes, does all the work, and preps me for the meeting. And I didn't go to any SaaS app. I didn't go, and it's like going to Domino's and saying, I need this pizza. Or I could go to a grocery store and make it myself. So the DIY era, where the human has to learn all these interfaces, remember all the passwords, download reports, create dashboards, and get intelligent, is getting over. So that's where essentially this headless and personalized software is going. I have an intent. Agent goes and uses these different apps. So that's what I mean. As an end user, I get the pizza. It's talking to all these softwares through plugins, skills, MCP, some other buzzword tomorrow that you and I will be scratching our head on, and just gives me what I need. So that's what is changing, and it creates immense pressure on incumbents to figure out, who have built value on UX, who have built value on custom workflows.
Who have a data moat.
But this is where new startups are going to come. How many of the client-server software companies were able to successfully transition to the cloud era with SaaS? SaaS didn't exist. Salesforce was the pioneer. But how many successful companies got created? And over time, only a handful of the client-server app companies made it through. And whenever a new transition happens, it's very hard. Your delivery model changes, your business model changes, just from going from perpetual licensing to seat-based licensing created huge difference. The same thing is going to happen now. I charge per seat, it's subscription. The new startup will be headless, will endorse this stuff, will be UI-less, and will charge for outcomes and the work it does. A different business. So my advice to founders is, the opportunity is so massive to take market share from incumbents who will try. It's a greenfield opportunity. So go attack the incumbent rather than fighting what the new browser or the new operating system looks like.